Shoney's Chicken Enchilada Soup. Shoney's Chicken Enchilada Soup. Broccoli Casserole. 6 cups broccoli florets, coarsely chopped on 1/4 pounds. Velveeta cheese roll, eggs 3 cups, cooked rice 3 cups, half on cup Ritz crackers. Crushed on cup shredded cheddar cheese /2 teaspoon salt /2 teaspoon black pepper cooking spray. Shoney's pot roast. Shoney's pot roast. Shoney's country fried steak. Shoney's country fried steak. Shoney's strawberry pie. Shoney's strawberry pie. Shoney's hot fudge cake. Beef and cabbage soup. Beef and cabbage soup.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.